Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add image banner in Shopify with custom image. Let's get started. In order to have that, we need to head over and customize our theme first. Now, it will open a Shopify editor right here, and you should be able to see what it will look like. Now, this is our Shopify editor. What we can do is we can first add in here an image banner if you don't have, but since I already have this, I can just click on that and I can edit it out however I want. For example, for me, I'll just make it small like this. So if you want to actually change the image, you can click on the specific image banner. You can click on this first image and click on the select image right here, and you can add whatever image you want added for this one. So for example, let's add this one. Then click on done. And then as you can see, this will upload and it will show on our first image banner. So this image banner has a second image. We can click on this select image right here on the second image, and then add another image on our actual banner. And now as you can see, it's been uploaded as well. Now this is what it looks like on our image banner, and we can head over and then save this right here however we want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!